ഒരു സിഗരറ്റ് പാന്റ് ഡ്രാഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്താലോ?
We will be drafting it directly on the paper pattern, so it will be easy to understand. We will be drafting the front part and the back part differently.
Our full length is 35. So we will take 35-inch length total. Our total length is 35 inch. For downfold, we need at least 2 inch. For joining this step to the pant, we need half inch. A step is total of 1.5 inch. This makes a total of 35 inch. This is the basic knowledge of the cigarette pant. Once the length is marked as 35 inch, next we will go for this length till the thighs. So the waist round divided by 3. The answer will be 11.3. So we will round it to 11.5. Minus that from this 1.5. The answer will be 10. So we'll mark from here to here as 10 and have a straight line. Once the full length is marked, we will draft the waist length. Then the thigh round on 18.5. As now we have done the waist line, then the waist to thigh round, that is the seat length we have marked 10.5. Then waist to the knee, that is the knee length, it is 19.5, but we have to minus the step that is joining, that is 1.5. It will be 18.5 the measure. So 10.5 till waist to thigh round, then waist to knee length, it is 18.5. Then for the foot length, there is no requirement to draft it now. Well, going for the rounds, before that, here we have to leave half of the inch on the waistline and then start the waist round from there. The waist round is 34. We have to divide it by 4. So the answer will be 8.5. Add 2 inch extra for dart and the seam allowance. Now for the thigh round, our thigh measure is 22. So 22 divided by 2, that the answer is 11. So 11 plus 1 inch extra for the loose fit and comfort fit. And for the 2 inch, we will be drawing the crotch. Crotch, we can increase the inch by 2.5 also. Here I am taking 2 inch. So let's mark. Now from the waistline to the thigh round, these lines to be connected. From this line to this, we have to mark a line. It will be little slow. It will not be straight. And from here to here, we have to draw a small curve. You can use the French curve also. Next is from this line, crotch end line to here, we are getting the measure of 14. We need to make it half of that and mark it. It should not be twisted or turned. From this line to here, half of the measurement should be drawn here. This distance of 7 inch, that means a 14 inch, half of 14 inch. That same thing we will go for knee round side also. Knee round line also we will draw the same 7 inch. Even for the foot length, we will draw the same 7 inch down. On the foot length also, we will use the same 7 inch. Now this 7 inch side, half portion and half portion. Middle is 7 inch. Connect these line as a straight line from top to bottom. Straight line is drawn from the waistline to the foot line. Now next is the knee round. Knee round is 16 inch here. So we will be dividing it by 2. That is 8. We will add 1 extra inch for the comfort fit. That will be now 17. Half of 17 is, here knee round is 16. We will be dividing it by 2. So it will be answer is 8. We will be adding 1 more inch for the comfort fit. So it is total of 9. Half of 9 will be this side and half of 9 will be this side. This is the middle point. So from here to here, 4.5. Here to here, 4.5. Next is the ankle round. Ankle round here is 10 inch. 10 by 2 is 5. We'll add 1 more inch for the comfort fit. That will be 6. So half of 6 will be here and here. So 3 and 3, 4 and 4.5. Total draft is done. Now we will go with the lines. We will be using a leg curve scale or normal scale is also fine. This curve scale helps for the beautiful pattern. So from this line to this waistline to crotch width to knee round, we will be using like this. And from the foot length to the knee round, we will be joining like this. It gives a seamless line. Using this side of the scale, we will be joining the foot to the knee. And from here, and from here to this border. Then from the half inch we left there to this border. So the pant is drafted now. We will cut it. This is the front part. For cutting, we should fold the down portion half an inch upside then 1 inch up. After doing this step, we can cut. It will give a flawless finish. In the back part, we will be leaving 1 inch extra on the upper side for the back part. For pants, we normally leave 1, 2, 3 inch extra on the margin line, that is the waistline. We have to leave depending on the seat round. So for here, I'm leaving 1 inch extra upside and then marking the full length. 1 inch and draw a straight line. This L scales used for the straight lines is very helpful, time consuming, and give the accuracy also. So as not, the 1 inch is done. Place the front part on this line straight. Make sure the patterns are inside. And this waistline or front and back should be on the same line. Rest, trace it throughout. Make sure you mark it neatly and accurately so we don't have to change any of the directions. Here for the back portion, we have some calculation. The waist round was 34 and the seat round was 38. So the waist round 34 by 2, the answer is 17. 17's one portion, 17's half is one portion we have drawn in the front side. The one side covers 17's half. Then seat round was 38. So we have to minus the seat round and the waist round half. With it, the answer will be 21. Half of 21 is 10 and half. 10 and half should be measured on the back side of the waist part from this portion to here. From here to here. As for this measurement, this garment, the measures are same. 8 and half plus 2 is 10 and half. And for the back portion, we require 10 and half. The measures are same here. Plus the seam allowance, plus the comfort fit we have to add now. After the 2 inch of extra allowance, comfort fit, we have to draw a straight line on the thighs. On the back sheet also, the thigh should be drawn. From this 2 inch to this joining, we have to draw a line. This will also be slight slanting. After drawing the 2 inch extra line, we have to drag this paper till here so that it won't be different from each pattern, and then trace it easily. Don't get complicated. Once practice, it will be easy. As the back portion, we have drawn till the foot. Now there is the crotch also be done. Now here we left with 1 inch of margin. So from that 1 inch of margin, we need to have a straight line. Then from this line to this line, we should draw a line. This is 1 inch of line to the waistline here. It will be a slanting line. And then the drafting is done, we will cut it out. Drafting of front pattern and back pattern is done. Now next we will do it on the cloth.